Hey Doug, this is Joseph Graham with Upshot Solutions, and you guys were referred over to us, and I just want to make a quick video for you. So when somebody's looking for foundation repair, drainage systems, or roofing, they're gonna do one of two things. A, they're gonna ask somebody, "Hey, do you know anybody that does good fences?" Or B, they're gonna get online and then search for somebody who does fences, right? It's either one or the other. It's either gonna be word of mouth or referral, or it's going to be an internet search. If it is an internet search, what's gonna happen is they're going to type in the specific service that they're looking for. And since you are a roofing contractor, we will stick with that. All right. Now, we look for a roofing contractor in Fort Worth. What happens? You got people paying for ads on top. You got the organic map listings, and below that you have the organic listings, right? Here's the numbers. 70% of the searchers will call one of these top three businesses first. Of that 70%, 74% will look at their reviews, right? The reviews and the ratings. But these people get 70% of the call volume. These people get 20%, and the ad spenders get 10. These people pay for ads because they don't know what I'm showing you right now, which are the key elements to ranking organically. Number one is the map listing. This anchors you in the town you want to rank in, right? I lost yours. It needs to be optimized like 110%. This map listing builds trust with the public. It builds trust with the search engines. They're asking me if I own this business, right? And I'm not about to do that, but we need to take care of this. The next key element is building citations. So like building a Facebook page, Yelp. There's literally 100 different places where you can list your name, address, and phone number and get a citation, like even a local chamber of commerce. Building content. The words on your site, it needs to be authoritative. It needs to be relevant, right? So if you want to talk about roofing, commercial, and residential, having authoritative content. So this is really all the content you have on commercial roofing, right? There's a lot more in depth we could do. There's a lot more questions that people ask that we could answer, right? Commercial roofing, here we go, some different types of roofs. But yeah, building content is definitely gonna make you an authority online. That's what Google wants. And like the search engines, that's what they like to see. It's who's the most relevant. These people appear here and here because they are the most relevant, right? Next is backlinks. So these backlinks are really just votes from other sites. Let me show you an example. These backlinks are juice. They give you juice. They give your website juice. They give everything you have online juice. You have 59 links, 386 links. Whereas the top guy, these people have 1,500 links, 100,000 links, right? So you don't need more, but you need more authoritative links. It's possible whenever you've optimized everything, the map listing, building citations, building authoritative content, answering questions, yada, yada, yada. When it's time to start backlinking, you do need more, but you need more authoritative ones. So you can have 100,000 spammy backlinks, or you can have, 100 authoritative backlinks that are actually relevant that make a difference, right? Here's your heat map. So anybody looking for roofing, that's our keyword, roofing. Anybody looking for roofing in Grand Prairie, in this particular area right here, when they make this search, this is what they're going to see. They're going to see Don's, Blue Nail, and Best Roofers. Remember in the demonstration with the three map listings? Go back. Right here. So they're going to see three top people right here. And that's what this is demonstrating, right? Go back. whenever someone is in, Arlington, when they're in this particular area, when they make that search, this is the 3 top roofer companies that they see. You can click on Fraser and see where they rank. So Fraser ranks in like Hearst, in this little area right here, right? They're number 1. So only the top 3 are even going to get shown, all right? I'm going to leave this with you, this link. We can click on Fort Worth. There's again Horizon. They only rank in this little area right here. So yeah, this is definitely a gauge to see who is even seeing you online. Okay. I hope this was pretty informative. If you have any questions, you can always visit upshotsolutionsllc.com or, reply to this email that I sent this from. Okay. Thanks.